Sellars, let me invite you to deliver this year's British Academy lecture, How to End a War, The Living and the Dead in Baroque Opera. The stage is yours.
First of all, I just want to say it is such a blast to be here. I had the most amazing day with students of this department yesterday, and I met just faculty members. I just want to know the rest of my life. So I'm going to maybe stick around eventually. Theater obviously exists in one tense only, and that is the present tense. In theater, there's no past, there's no future, there's just right now. Jupiter comes to the front of the stage, and he says, Soleil! Arrête! You're there in the first act, you're there in the second act, you're there in the third act, and you're there in the fourth act, and the fifth act, you still have not moved. We're in a period of such overwhelming global violence. How do you stop war? The presence of the dead in our lives. And what it means that the dead are not gone. None of us are what we look like. We're all these other things that no one would ever know. This is the persona. I'm speaking through this, but I'm so much more than this. The main point of theater is how do you say all the things that you cannot say in your own family. The sofa, that horrible pink sofa, is in fact, it opens like a mouth and zombies pour out of it in the hell scene. And to see zombies pouring out of a red sofa is very satisfying. The wildest movements that are not even imaginable. And then you watch them do them and it's gasping. We need all the people who have never shined before to shine. And so I'm just speaking to the young people in this room tonight. I just want to say, please reinvent everything you touch. Step 1, imagine the world you want to live in. Step 2, create that world. Step 3, live in it. Thank you, everyone. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you for a beautiful, beautiful day in Manchester. Thank you so much.
Can I thank you all, and can I thank Peter for an epic journey from the Greeks to the present with loads of strategies of how to make work together. And also for the past couple of days, it feels that even though we haven't had a conversation at the end of today's talk, we have absolutely had a conversation with you over the past 3 days. And want to say a huge thank you for coming and sharing really some of the strategies for making work and some of the conversations you've been having across the 50 years of making work. I think we'll all be so much richer for it. Peter Sellars, thank you, and thank you to all of you.